Hey, what's going on, guys? Got a little pack opening that I got here from Target for $9.99. Comes with a couple 3 packs and hollow card. Let me open this up real quick. It comes with a Panpour reverse hollow, which is a common, and it comes with 3 packs: 2 Furious Fist and a Next Destinies. Alright, let's see what we got. I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And we have Eevee, Noibat, Slackoth, Patrat, Electabuzz, Vibrava, Sparkling Robe, Tyrunt, Pangoro, Reverse Rare, and a Golurk. Pack number 2. Sorry for the bad lighting. This code card for you guys. Focus. Focus. There we go. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And we have a Makuhita, Skorupi, Mienfoo, Magmar, Shelmet, Focus Slash, Tool Retriever, Sail Fossil, Reverse Common Magmar, and a Glaceon Rare. Cool. Last but not least, Mewtwo, Next Destinies. I think the code card's the same way. Don't quote me on that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Hopefully I got it right. We'll see how it goes. We have a Staryu, Pikachu, Shinx, Grimer, Pansage, EXP Share, Frillish, Arcanine. Reverse is a uncommon Lapras, and a rare is a Luxray, non-hollow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.